Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about Rational Root Theorem. What is Rational Root Theorem? Rational Root Theorem is a method that we can use in order for us to identify or determine the possible zeros of a given polynomial function. So let's have an example. Let's find the possible zeros of this polynomial function f of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 5x squared plus 4. So, our first step in identifying the possible zeros is for us to identify the value of our p and the value of our q. Our p will be coming from the constant term of our polynomial function. So, this will be our p. So, we will have 4 as our p. And for our q, it will be the coefficient of our leading term. So, in this case, it is 1. So, 1 is our q. Then after identifying our p and q, we have to find the factors of our p and q. So for p, our possible factors are positive negative 1, positive negative 2, and positive negative 4. Okay, then let's proceed to our q. Our factors for 1 is positive negative 1. Then from there, we can now identify our possible zeros by getting the quotient of p and q. So we have to divide p, the factors of p, divided by the factors of q. So let's divide, giving us our possible zeros starting with 1 divided by 1. So 1 divided by 1 is positive negative 1. 2 divided by 1 is positive negative 2. And 4 divided by 1 is equal to positive negative 4. And that's it. To answer the question, what are the possible zeros? It will be positive negative 1, positive negative 2, and positive negative 4. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.